Capital and human resources don't leave organization. They leave managers. Hire for personality, train for skill. You might hire a specialist in sales, but some people are toxic. Deep down, you know they don't belong in your team. Sometimes we feel sorry for them and think, it's a shame to let them go. But friends, where does a chain break? At its weakest link. One negative person can destroy an entire organization. If you're sure someone is toxic, they must be fired immediately. Train your team in a way that they can leave you, but treat them in a way that they won't want to. That's how you build loyal people. Loyal employees are like gears in motion. They take responsibility and treat the company as their own. Ignore your people and you'll lose them. Right now, organizations are competing to attract each other's human capital. That's why taking care of your people is more important than ever.